Here I got the 2-stroke Tecumseh mini bike engine that I'm going to be using for my pocket bike build. So here's the engine. It's out of the snowblower over there. It's pretty decent. Very good for like a junkyard find. Got this exhaust manifold. The exhaust comes on out. So I like this little piece. I like how that comes out. And easier to make a custom exhaust. But I know it's a 2-stroke, so it can't just be any custom exhaust. I got that figured out. I got the stock exhaust, and the expansion chamber and muffler. Just probably cut it off here or something. Cut it off here and just weld it on there. The ignition switch, primer. Haven't got it running. I'll have it running in part 2. Got a clutch. Can't use this because it's number 40/41 chain. It's a 2-piece Hillard Extreme Duty clutch, brand new. But I just got it to show how it would fit on. Here is 5/8 shaft, and then here it gets bigger, so I'm gonna have to somehow get that cut down to 5/8 and then key it. I got a thread in there, but it didn't come with the bolt, so I'm gonna have to find out what would go in there. See, the keyway, it stops it, so because of the keyway in there, that keyway right there. But this is a 3/4 inch one, so I'll have to get a 5/8. But you can just see it's got like a 1/4 inch to go, and then it'll be fully on there. I like the way that looks with the clutch on there. I also made this little stand for it because you see here it's got the studs on the side and there's nothing on the bottom. Right there. It comes right off. Not mounted on, just sort of a cradle for it. What was originally on the shaft was this little pulley, 5/8 pulley. And just went on right on there. It did have a key. It had a wood druff key. That's right over here. So I'll cut the keyway right there, but have it all along this shaft. And that's how it locked on. Little wood druff. I did check for spark, and it has decent spark. It's just a spark plug. It's got a yellow spark, but get a new spark plug, it should be stronger than that, because AC spark plug, I have no idea what that is. Like, maybe the stock one they put in there at the factory, but you know, I could be wrong. Just for those people out there that like to correct people on the littlest things. More on the snowblower. I could cut the little mounting plate out, which I probably might do, because that'll be a lot easier and save me some time. It's like a cheap snowblower, like probably some cheap Walmart one or something from the 80s. I don't see why anyone threw it out. Kind of ridiculous to me. I'd say maybe it's early 80s. Tecumseh does have problems with their carburetors, so That's gonna suck if it has like problems with their carburetors. And this is part 1.5 of the Pocket Bike Tecumseh 2-stroke build. Very good compression. I'll show you. You can see there's so much resistance, but it's all good. Got a nice little K&N clone air filter for it. It's all decent. Thanks for watching.